Hi there everyone! I'm on my way to my winter vacation destination. But it's a long 3 hours flight and I'm feeling a bit bored. What I really want to do is to play. So how about we play a fun game together? Do you remember the difference between thick and thin? Yeah? Let's quickly refresh our memory. Thick means that the inside of something is fat or big, and thin is the opposite. It might be skinny and small. Remember, thick clothes keep us warmer than thin ones. Now let's get started with our game. I've got some phrases here on my game board, and you can play along with me. The first phrase says, the sweater is thicker or thinner than the t-shirt? What do you think? What do you think? Thicker or thinner? Thicker or thinner? Yeah, right, it's thicker, of course. A sweater is thicker than a t-shirt. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see that? The turbulence just made the letters ER fly off. Oh, that's so cool. I'll try to get them back. Oh no, they're too far. Oh, look. Oh, what a nice robot. Hey, can you help me to get those letters back? Thank you! You are the best! Oh, all set. Okay, let's move on to the next phrase. The next one says, her globes are thin than mine? Oh, wait, here we don't have any other option. But I don't think this is okay. There's a mistake. Can you spot it? Yeah, that's right. Thin. Thin should have ER to become thinner. Let's ask the robot to generate the missing letters. Please, robot, can you give us the letters ER? Because the right sentence is her globes are thinner than mine. Oh, I love it. We fixed that one. Now on to the last phrase. Let's read together. The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? Oh, wait a minute. Something's not right here. Do you know? Have you noticed it? I give you some seconds. Where is the mistake? The winter coat is thinner than the summer jacket? You are absolutely right. It should be the winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Oh, oh. Hey, robots, where are you? Phew, it's back. Now, can you generate the word thicker for me? Yeah, because that sentence has a mistake. Great! Can you see now? The sentence makes more sense. Let's read it. The winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket. Not thinner, but thicker. Great! We did it! I had so much fun playing with English words. Thanks for joining me in this cool game.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello everyone, are you ready? Today we keep learning with the adjectives, comparatives, and this time we are really going to use the adjectives in order to compare, okay, to compare two different things. Let's see the example. This blue sweater is thick. Remember, something thick means that it has a larger distance between the opposite sides. And this blue sweater is thicker than the red one. So the blue is thicker than the red one, and we are comparing. So if we want to compare, we need to put the adjective thick with ER, right? With ER. So this is it. And remember that to transform regular adjectives into comparative ones, we typically consider their endings and add ER or R as a suffix. However, there are some exceptions. Okay, so today we are just going to remember and practice the endings ER. Yes, see that thick is something that has a larger distance between the sides, and thin is something shorter, but with ER at the end we will use them to compare. So let's go. The big book is getting, the big book is getting thinner or thicker as I turn the pages. It has to get thinner, yes, because if I turn the pages, I get less and less. So let's just write here thinner. The sweater is thicker or thinner than the t-shirt? A sweater, it's for sure thicker, yes? Normally is. A sweater is thicker than the t-shirt. My jacket feels a lot thinner or thicker after I took off my sweater. My jacket feels a lot thinner, right? Thinner after I took off my sweater because I have less layers, right? The paper in my notebook is getting thicker or thinner? The paper in my notebook is getting thinner as well. It's the same as the book, yes? So the big book is getting thinner as I turn the pages, and the same with the notebook is a very similar action. The winter coat is thicker than the summer jacket for sure. And the soap is getting thinner. The soap is getting thinner as we use it every day. The soap is what we use to wash our hands. So if you put water on water, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So thinner and thinner. Good job. Remember, guys, that when we want to compare two things, we need to use the adjectives and write ER at the end of the words, or other ways or exceptions, as we will see a little bit in advanced worksheets. Okay, so let's keep working.